How to turn on two-factor authentication on Facebook using your iPhone 8 Plus. This extra security feature helps protect your Facebook account. First, open the Facebook app. Now, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Then go to Settings and Privacy, and tap Settings. Next, open the Account Center. Tap Password and Security. Then select Two-Factor Authentication. Choose your Facebook account if you have multiple accounts linked. Enter your confirmation code that you received in WhatsApp or SMS. Then tap Next. Here, you'll see the available verification methods. If you're not receiving SMS codes, tap Text Message, SMS, then tap Next. And make sure your mobile number is correct. If you have recovery codes, keep them in a safe place. These codes can help you sign in if you lose access to your phone. Then tap Next. If needed, enter your password. Then tap Done to unlock authentication on. That's it! Two-factor authentication is now enabled, and your Facebook account will be more secure whenever you sign in from a new or unrecognized device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.